Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm trying out an Infinity Mini this week with the Nomad Medic. She is part of the Vallejo paint set, but I've lost the booklet she came with since I bought her several years ago now. I do also deviate from using just Vallejo paints, as some of them involve mixing if I remember correctly, and I have actual colours that will just work, so I'm going with them instead. She was primed in black, and I get started with Asmodeus red as pretty much everything except for the skin and the larger black parts. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I added some shadow to all of the red with a wash of Oblivion black wash. To start bringing up the undersuit and adding a base to the skin, I went for Scarlet red. This goes over all of the fabric, just leaving that darker tone in the creases. For the skin, I just use this as a decent base coat that sunny skin tone will cover easier than black. That is it for the undersuit now. Next up, I move on to the armor panels with a mid-tone of flat red. Again, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses. To really make the armor pop, I added a highlight using Demon Red on all of the areas that will be mostly getting hit by the light. With the armor now finished, I get started with base coating all of the skin with Sunny Skintone. Getting started on the leather parts and the metal parts, I went over all of them with Death Reaper. The first highlight on the edges and the parts facing upwards on the black are done with dark sea green. To finish up and edge highlight all of the darker parts, I used medium sea grey. I remember her in the artwork having blue hair, so I gave this a once over with magic blue. Dotting in her eyes and bringing up all of these sharp edges on the darker colours, I used Trooper White. This is also used to bring up the paramedic text on her back just to make it somewhat readable. Adding a highlight to her hair and some eyebrows, I grabbed Gigawatt Blue, just brought up all of these sculpted strands. With the eyes and eyebrows now done, I came back in and added a highlight with Elf Skintone. I figured since I have this out as well, I might do a bit of an edge highlight on the red just to make it look a bit more interesting at these seams. I did go very thick on this though at some points and had to come back in afterwards with the midtones and just darken them back down and make them look a bit more tidy. Finishing up, I washed the face, hair and paramedic text on her back with a thinned down flesh wash. And that will be it for the Nomad Medic. I think I got pretty close to what the artwork is on this one from memory. And I'm thinking I might actually try some more of these sets as these minis are really nice and they aren't actually that hard to get painted up even though they look like they are. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.